What's your skin type? Oily, combination, acne, aging? We get this question all the time. You all want to create these great skincare routines, but you're not exactly sure what your skin type is. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the 5 different skin types and how to identify which one you have. Follow along. It's so important to understand what your skin type is because that's how you're going to identify which products are actually right for your skin that will give you that gorgeous glowing complexion you're looking for. There's 5 main skin types and I'm going to show you how to identify which one you have. We have oily, we have dry, we have acne prone, we have rosacea/sensitive skin, and we have combination, okay? You could obviously be one of these or all of these, but I'm gonna show you how to identify really, really quickly which one you are. The first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take a really basic skincare cleanser, a really nice one. This one is the detox wash. Anyone that's just gonna basically clean your skin. You're gonna wash your face and then you're going to do nothing. You're not gonna put any products on it. You're gonna let your skin sit for 20 minutes and see what happens. Once your skin sits for 20 minutes, you're gonna call what I call the tissue test. And you're gonna test 2 different areas. You're gonna test the T-zone, which is the forehead and the nose all the way down the chin. See, it makes a T, and then you're gonna test the C zone, which is your cheeks. So think of a C this way and think of a C this way. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a tissue and you're first gonna press it against your T zone and see what you see, okay? So you press it against your T zone and then you're going to look at it. If your T zone has some oiliness to it, most likely after 20 minutes, you have oily skin. If you do the same thing to your cheek, if your C zone has any oil spots, you can also have oily skin. If you just have oil on your T-zone and not your C-zone, you can also have sensitive skin. Now, in addition to the tissue test, which is just one of the tests you can do to test your oil, you also want to think about, how does my skin feel? For instance, I am normal to dry. So I'm usually not going to get much oil on the T-zone, maybe a little bit, which is super normal. But I know that if I wash my face and don't put any products over it, my skin feels tight and uncomfortable, especially on my C-zone area. That means I'm more on the dry side. So you're going to do a tissue test and also think about, how does your skin feel? Then there's a third test if you want to check for aging skin and look at your elasticity. You're going to take any pencil, a makeup brush, this is an eyeliner. This is the third way you're going to test. And you're going to basically look in the mirror, and what I want you to do is I want you to just push it into your skin. It doesn't have to hurt, but push it into your skin. And what you want to see is, are there any fine lines that come around here? If so, it means that you're also dehydrated. So I'm poking right here. I don't see any fine lines, but once I let go, you're going to look in the mirror and see, does my skin stay pushed in or does it bounce back right away? That's going to show you the level of elasticity that you have. So it's important to know your skin type, but also your skin condition, because you can be oily, but also super dehydrated for many different reasons. So you're going to want to know what your skin type is and what the situation currently is going on with your skin, and create a skincare routine accordingly. The third test is supposed to be super intuitive. What I want you to do is think about, how does your skin feel after I wash it and don't apply products? How does my skin look? If you look in the mirror, I notice I have normal to dry skin. If I wash my face and I wait 20 minutes and I don't put on moisturizer, my skin actually feels super tight. If you're super tight, that's another sign that you have dry skin. If you look in the mirror and you see, I'm actually red and super flushed, that means you can have irritated skin or even rosacea. A lot of people, when they wash their face, their skin turns bright red out of nowhere. That means that they are most likely suffering from rosacea. If your skin feels fine because it's oily and the oil is naturally lubricating your skin, then it means that you have oily skin. It's just another way to identify how your skin reacts naturally, and that's how you're going to create the perfect skincare routine. Remember, products can be amazing. They could win awards from different magazines. You can get like TikTok viral on certain products, and you try them and you're like, It doesn't work for me. That's because as good as that product is, it's not right for your skin. Another thing I want you to remember is you need to check your skin every season, because just because your skin may be one way today, in 3 months from now, it's wintertime, it's summertime, and your skin can behave a little bit differently. There's a few factors. So we discussed weather. My skin is drier in the winter, it's oilier in the summer. So all it tells me is I need to adjust a few of the products that I'm using in my skincare routine from season to season. Doesn't mean you need to do a full overhaul. It just means you need to make a few tweaks. Besides weather, there's hormones. If you're pregnant, if you're on any kind of medication, that also affects how your skin's behaving. And there's other different climate and lifestyle changes. So just because your skin is one way today does not mean it is that way forever. Make sure to check in on your skin seasonally to tweak your skincare routine. Now that you know what your skin type is like, make sure to check out our next video on how to create the perfect skincare routine for your skin. Thank you again for watching.